In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Gmail in a simple and easy way. A lot of people buy domains from GoDaddy and then want to use them with Gmail so they can send and receive emails through a professional address instead of a normal Gmail account. And the good thing is that once you connect it, you'll be able to manage all of your business communication right inside Gmail, which is way more convenient. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to have is a GoDaddy account with a domain that you've already purchased, and, of course, you need a Gmail account ready to use. Once you've got those two, the whole process is going to be straightforward. Now, I'll first take you inside GoDaddy. Log into your GoDaddy account, and on the top menu you'll see My Products. Click there, and this is where all of your purchased domains and other services will show up. Find the domain that you want to connect to Gmail. Next to that domain, you'll see options like Email and Office, or sometimes Professional Email. That's the section we need because this is where we either purchase or manage the email accounts that are connected to your domain. If you don't already have an email set up for that domain, GoDaddy will show you some plans. For example, you can choose a basic professional email plan or even Microsoft 365-based plans, depending on what you want. For this tutorial, let's assume you've already created a professional email address like info@yourdomain.com. Once you've got that set up, you're ready to connect it to Gmail. So now, open up your Gmail. On the top right corner, click on the little gear icon for Settings. Then click on See All Settings. That will open up a full settings page. From here, go to the tab that says Accounts and Import. Now, this page has a lot of options, but the one we're interested in is called Check Mail from Other Accounts. Right there, you'll see a button that says Add a Mail Account. Click on that. A small window will pop up asking you to type in the email address that you want to add. So here, you'll enter the GoDaddy business email you just created. For example, info@yourdomain.com. Once you've typed it in, click on Next. Now Gmail will ask how you want to connect. Choose the option Import Emails from My Other Account POP3 and continue. At this point, Gmail needs more details about your GoDaddy email. You'll see fields like username, password, POP server, and port number. Let me break these down. The username is simply your full email address, so type that in. The password is the one you set when you created this email on GoDaddy. For the POP server, GoDaddy usually provides it as either pop.secureserver.net or outlook.office365.com, depending on your plan. The port number is normally 995, and make sure you check the box that says Always Use a Secure Connection, SSL. Below that, you'll see a few more options, like whether you want to leave a copy of retrieved messages on the server, whether you want Gmail to label these emails, and whether you want them archived. It's totally up to you. I recommend checking the option for labeling so you can easily recognize which messages came from your business domain. Once everything is filled out, click on Add Account. If all the details are correct, Gmail will confirm that your account has been successfully added. But we're not done yet. Gmail will now ask if you also want to be able to send emails as this address. Of course, you'll want that because the whole point is to send emails from your professional domain. So select Yes and continue. Now Gmail will ask you to enter the name you want to appear when people receive your emails. For example, you could just type your name or your business name. Then, you'll need to configure the outgoing mail server settings. This uses SMTP, not POP. For GoDaddy, the SMTP server is usually smtpout.securserver.net or smtp.office365.com, and the port is typically 465 or 587. Again, use your full email as the username and the same password you created for it. Make sure the option Secured Connection Using SSL or TLS is selected. Click on Add Account again, and Gmail will send a verification email to your GoDaddy email address to confirm you own it. Since Gmail is already pulling emails from your GoDaddy account, you'll find this verification email directly in your Gmail inbox after a few seconds. Open it, copy the code, and paste it back into the box to complete the verification. And that's it. Now your GoDaddy domain email is fully connected to Gmail. You can receive messages, reply to them, and even compose new emails using your professional address, all inside Gmail, without ever needing to log in to a separate dashboard. Now, one thing I recommend after connecting your email is to test it right away. Send yourself a quick email from another account, like a personal Gmail or Yahoo address, and check if it arrives properly in Gmail. Then, reply to that email using your professional address to confirm that the sending function works too. This step ensures that both incoming and outgoing emails are fully set up, and you won't face surprises later when dealing with clients or colleagues. Also, keep in mind that Gmail lets you manage multiple accounts. So if you own more than one domain, or you've set up different addresses for your team members, you can repeat the same steps and add all of them to Gmail. Each email can have its own label and settings, which makes it very easy to organize. This way, you can separate personal emails, customer support, business inquiries, and marketing messages while still managing everything from one single dashboard. Now, I do want to mention one important thing. Sometimes the server names and port numbers may vary, depending on whether your GoDaddy email is a standard professional email or an Office 365 email. So if you run into issues, just go to the GoDaddy Help Center and search Server Settings for Email Clients. They'll give you the exact POP and SMTP settings for your plan. As long as you use those correctly, Gmail will have no trouble connecting. And there you go. Now you know how to connect your GoDaddy domain email to Gmail. It's a simple process, but extremely powerful for managing your professional communication.